Hey guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. So today we're working on a really fun beachy craft project that anyone can do. And this would be a really neat way to start make your own sign of some kind, or for a children's room if you're doing a beach or surf theme. So this is going to be a really exciting craft. So let's get started. So I'm starting with just a surfboard piece of wood cutout that I bought at the craft store. And I've just put one coat of Kilz 2, which is a stain blocking primer, or you can use pretty much any kind of a primer that you have on hand from perhaps painting your house. This is just going to help the board not warp under all of the liquid paint that we're going to be putting on top. So we're using a really easy pre-mixed paint that I bought from the craft store. If you go to the acrylic paint section, and you should see some kits or pre-mixed paint that is specifically targeted for acrylic pouring. So you can pick any sort of set that you find there. You can even get creative with the colors if you want. I picked some ocean colors here, and you're also gonna need white or black in addition to the colors. So there's no real right way to do this. I'm just putting all the colors out all over the board, and I promise you it's all going to work out just fine because we're going to be doing a swipe over the colors so it looks like sort of the water is breaking over the ocean. So here I'm just covering up pretty much all of the space. You want to make sure you get really good coverage. Okay, so we're gonna take our white color and we're just gonna put a little bit over the rest of the colors just to help with that ocean effect, like I mentioned, sort of the sea foam. Now we're gonna put a lot right here on the edge of our colors. And this is what we're gonna use to swipe over the other colors. And for swiping today, I'm actually using a clear piece of plastic that I had on hand. But if you don't have this, you could use perhaps a paper towel or a napkin or something like that would work just fine. So I'm just setting it gently in the paint and then just swiping one continuous movement. And you can see that you'll start to see little cells start to pop up. So it looks like there's quite a few spots where I didn't quite put enough paint down the first time. So I'm just gonna use a palette knife to help sort of cover up any of those spots that I missed. Now that I'm happy with the way the ocean part looks, I'm just gonna put some black paint down because I'm making this particular piece look like it has a black sand beach. If you want to just do a regular colored sand beach, then just use a different color paint. Really, it's up to you. So I'm adding a bit more white because I'm going to just use my lungs to sort of blow that white back over the black so it looks like it's splashing onto the beach. Lastly, I'm just adding a little bit more detail here in the ocean. I wanted to sort of fix a couple spots by making it look like there is some waves breaking. So I'm just putting a little bit of white on my palette knife and I'm just swiping that over those spots. So here's the final piece. So this can actually just be the starting point for you if you'd like, where you can actually add some vinyl lettering or logos or what have you to make your own sign. You can hang this the opposite direction if you want. So really the possibilities are endless. I encourage you to just get creative. Now, if you're interested in making different types of ocean art, I have a lot of other tutorials like some of these right here. That's all I have for today. I'll see you again soon.